nice exponential problem for you all, which is 8 to the 9 plus 8 raised to 9 plus 8 raised to 9 plus 8 raised to 9 over 4 raised to 9 plus 4 raised to 9 equals what? So let's see. The first step what we're gonna do is, everywhere you have 8 to the 9s. So let's take it out common. 8 to the power of 9. Then what is left? If you divide this by this, 1. Same way, divide this by this, 1. This by this, 1. And again 1. Then you have 4 to the power of 9. Take it out common. So you're left with 1 plus 1. Now you have 8 to the power of 9 times, this is times 4, over 4 to the power of 9 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So we have 8 to the power of 9 over 4 to the power of 9 times 2. Now this can be written as, you should know this, a to the power of m, b to the power of m. So what you can do is, you can club the powers, a over b whole to the power of m. So we're going to apply that. So you have 8 over 4 whole to the power of 9 times 2 equal to 4 times 2 is 8. So 2 to the power of 9 times 2, which is equal to 2 to the power of. Now we're going to apply this law whenever you have something like this, a to the power of m times a to the power of n. You just add the powers when bases are same and there's multiplication between them. So we add the powers. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 2 to the power of 10 is 1024, and that's your answer.